Hello my lovelies, let's make some sticky toffee pudding. I always have some dates in my fridge and we use them every day as energy boosters. So that means I always have the ingredients for this sticky toffee pudding, so no excuses not to make them. You want to start with 9 juicy dates. We need to remove the seeds and chop them into small pieces. To that we're going to add 1 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and set them aside to soften. Now for the dry ingredients, you're going to need to combine 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. The salt is so important as it balances out the sweetness, so mix it well and set it aside. Now in a large bowl, you're going to want to combine your wet ingredients. You just want to combine 1 tablespoon of oil, 2/3 of a cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1 egg. Whisk it well until combined. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Now back to the recipe. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet and whisk that well. The mixture will be quite dry, but that's perfectly fine. Now you just want to add the dates and the water that they were soaked in. The dates will have softened slightly, but they aren't mushy. Mix the dates in with a spatula, just enough until smooth. This mixture already looks so good, and the smell, it's amazing. Grease 4 ramekins with melted butter and dust them with flour. This will help the pudding slide right out of the ramekins before serving. Divide the mixture between the 4 ramekins and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. While the puddings are baking, we can get on with the caramel sauce. To start, you want to combine 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar with 1/4 cup of butter and 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. You just want to mix that well and cook it on a low heat for around 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and the sugar has dissolved. Add a pinch of salt and mix it through once more. Turn off the heat and set the caramel aside. Now to assemble these cakes, you want to make sure the cakes are warm. Top it with the salted caramel and serve with ice cream or custard. That's entirely up to you. Doesn't that look great? Yes, it does. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye.